Welcome back. You're still tuned in on NBS. I'm Victoria Sabia on The Breakfast Meeting. By the way, be sure to go ahead and download the Afro mobile app. You can totally watch us from there and watch this particular show. Just watch us live just because you can. Now, as we continue with our conversations, we are going to be exploring a groundbreaking investment opportunity that is generating some significant buzz in Uganda's real estate sector. I'm talking about the Waterfront Hotel Apartments in Munyonyo, developed by BuildNet. And now these fully furnished, serviced and managed hotel apartments offer investors a unique chance to earn guaranteed rental income in one of Kampala's most prestigious locations, of course, and with an attractive payment plan and host of luxury amenities. Now, this project is obviously poised to redefine upscale living and investment in the region. Now, joining me to delve deeper into the details of this project is Dr. Ibrahim Semaganda, who is a managing director at BuildNet, and Shakira Ngaragwa, who is the representative from BuildNet, of course. Now, welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Joy to have you on. Now, when we talk about real estate, you know, in Uganda, it's a buzzing thing. We all want to get into it. We all want to know what's new, what's happening, who's built the newest and the freshest. Now, perhaps you can answer me first by telling me, give us an introduction to the company. Give us an introduction to BuildNet and, of course, the work that you are doing. Shakira.
Thank you so much, Madam Victoria. My name is Shakira Ngaragwa, and I'm the marketing executive at BuildNet. So maybe to give you a brief overview about BuildNet. BuildNet is one of the leading real estate development and management companies in Uganda. It has been in existence for nearly 15 years, and in the 15 years, we have successfully delivered over 500 apartment units in prime locations of Nalia, Nigeria, and so on. Mm-hmm. Yes, please.
Wow, over 15 years of experience.
Yes.
Now that is quite wide. That's a lot of experience. Now, and over 500 apartments that you've built in these areas?
Yes, please.
Now, perhaps you can tell me what brought you and to choose Munyonyo in particular as a location for the Waterfront Hotel Apartments. And perhaps, Dr. Ibrahim, you can answer that for us.
Thank you, Victoria. Well, why we chose Munyonyo, our model, the business model, the investment model of Waterfront Hotel Apartments rotates around fully furnished, fully serviced, and fully managed hotel apartments. And that location particularly is a well fit for the model. The fact that it has a water view, a very stunning water view, lake view. It is very close to the express highway. It's actually 30 minutes away from the airport. So the model would attract both the locals and the foreign occupants of the hotel investment. So it will give it a high performance advantage. So the location is just well merged with the model itself.
Of course, location is key in this case. The
Sure.
area code will determine a lot of things,
Sure.
if I'm not mistaken. But also this project is a first of its kind, and also an investment opportunity. What makes the hotel apartments different from other developments in Uganda?
Thank you, Victoria, again. So this model is the first of its kind, like you have rightly put it, here in Uganda. So it is more of an investment, like we are selling an investment to our clients out there, than just an apartment. The fact that it's fully furnished, fully serviced, and fully managed, and then we take care of everything. So you as the investor, you just have to rest, sit back, and wait for your money to drop on your account. Wow. So we take care of every other aspect of the management. You don't have to worry about anything. So you get monthly income on your account without doing anything. So it gives you passive income that separates from other kind of real estate developments. So you get money passively. You don't have to struggle with the tenant or occupants of the apartment. We do all that and then give you the money on your account every month. So the other thing that makes it different from any other real estate investment around is that we have gone ahead to guarantee a fixed amount of money that our clients or investors will be getting every month.
Wow.
Yes, regardless of the occupancy rate of your investment.
So it's fixed, and that's it.
You get a fixed amount of money. And of course, the return on investment is high. So the guaranteed monthly rental income, we have gone ahead to back it up with a bank guarantee. So we shall be giving you a bank guarantee as the investor, meaning that if for any reason, in any unlikely event that BuildNet doesn't pay you as agreed your monthly rental income, the bank will definitely immediately pay you. So that's what the bank guarantee does.
Yeah, those sounds like exciting benefits to being an investor, particularly with you at BuildNet. What are the other benefits? Like you're saying, you're able to get a fixed amount.
Yes.
The bank is also able to pay up in case anything happens. What are some of the other benefits, and why should people choose to invest with you?
Well, so the other benefits, other than now already you are assured of peace of mind, your investment is being taken care of, being managed. So you are having guaranteed monthly rental income with a bank guarantee. Now, in addition, in a year, you can have 2 weeks free of charge, where you can, if you notify us that I want to be in my apartment maybe in December for 3 days, in January for 4 days, May 5 days, you have a consolidated time of 2 weeks to use for free for your apartment.
Wow.
Yes. Then the other one is that, of course, it gives the guaranteed rate, the return on investment. The guaranteed monthly rental income for the first 3 years translates to a guaranteed return on investment of 8.5%. In US dollars, so this rate beats almost every investment on the market.
Absolutely.
8.5% return on investment in US dollars, not in shillings.
Yeah.
Yes, most investments can give you like 5.5 and so on. So that one is also another benefit, unique benefit about this investment. Then, so when you calculate the time in which you have to get back your money that you invested, it translates to about 10 to 11 years. You have all your money back for your investment.
Wow.
Unlike the traditional real estate investments where they give you back your money in about 20 years, this one gives you in a much shorter time of about 10 to 11 years. But also in the same time of 10 to 11 years, we estimated by using the standard appreciation rate that in that time your investment will have doubled in value. Say if you invested 100,000 US dollars, in 10 years, remember property appreciates at a rate of about 6% every year, standard. So if you appreciate that investment of 100,000 US dollars over 10 years, every year, in 10 years, that value will have doubled to about 200,000 US dollars. So the thing here is that in addition to you getting back your money every month, and in 10 years you have all your money that you invested, then the value of your property will have doubled. So you have capital appreciation, which has multiplied by 2. Now, since you have already got back your money already, so when you get a consolidated value, your money have tripled.
Wow. Now, talk to me about the people that you're actually targeting in this case. Who are these investors that you're looking for who are the right people to invest in this particular project?
Well, anyone looking for an investment that's going to give you peace of mind, where you don't have to hassle with tenants, with occupants.
The management of the entire thing.
The management of the entire thing is our target person. Like people before, they have been buying apartments in different places, but now the frustration is that they have been having to manage to go through the hassle with the tenants, to the stress of repairing, maintenance, and so on. So anyone who is looking for an investment that's going to give them peace of mind without going through that hassle is our target market. Of course, our people here in Uganda and those in the diaspora are all our clients. They have been, and they are also our target market for this particular investment.
Now, the exciting part, perhaps Shakira, you can answer this one. We're talking about the payment plan. There's a payment plan for this one. It's not just you give all your money for. You can just space it out. Perhaps tell us a little bit, what does it offer? What is this payment plan? And how do property owners, I guess, benefit from this payment plan?
Maybe Victoria to mention, we have revealed the most exciting payment plan on the market, and I think that's the reason why we are here today. So our payment plan is you book with only $2,500, then you deposit 20% in a month time, then the balance of 80% we give you actually the balance of 80%, you pay it upon completion of construction, that is in 2 years. Now, unlike the previous payment plan that we have always had, whereby the 80% is divided within the equal parts of the month, let me say that you deposit $2,500, pay the 20% in a month, then the balance of 80%, previously we've been dividing it in 24 months. So it means you have to pay installments every month. But for this particular model, for this particular payment plan, the 80% you'll pay it upon completion of construction. That's when you have already seen what Dr. Semaganda has talked about, the quality, the construction, whatever we promised and everything, and we're convinced that exactly this is what I wanted. So that's when you pay upon completion.
Wow.
Yes.
And do these investors have a say as to how things look, which furniture to put in, and all those? Are they part of the process as of when you're building?
Yes, actually investors are part of the process from the beginning, because we normally put what we call artistic impression. So as we are selling and interesting them about the product, we show them how the product is going to look like. So they expect certain things. So like he said, we have fully furnished, fully serviced, and fully managed. So it means when we talk about, let me say, the furniture of the building, all the furniture is going to be imported from Europe. So it has to be European standard. And these are not just people you're going to play with. So they understand when you say European standard, it must be European standard. And maybe something that I have forgotten to talk about, Madam Victoria, is that this very payment plan has benefits. For example, it reduces the risk of an investor to almost 0%, because you're paying much of the money after completion of the construction.
That's 80% within 2 years.
Exactly,
After.
yes. Then secondly, Mr. Semaganda talked about the guaranteed monthly rental income. This guaranteed monthly rental income, you can actually offset it. Let me say we have a program for financing, for those who would like to finance. You can get any financing with any bank of your choice. For example, you can go to Stanbic, I won't mention, maybe you can get financing, and it means that for a bank to finance, they have to finance something that is already in place. So that is already a benefit, that provided you're going to pay your money, the biggest chunk, which is 80% at the end of the month. So at the end of 2 years. So it means that you can go to the bank and apply. So when you apply for this loan, they can give you either 80%, the balance, or they can give you half of it, which can at least be extended to a period of 5 to 20 years. Yes.
Absolutely. Now, are there this offer that you're mentioning about, is it a limited time offer, or is this just all throughout?
Actually, the offer we are talking about right now, for those who are watching, we are giving 3-month offer from now for those who are going to deposit between today and 31st of the same month. It means for them, the 20% will be paid in the breakdown of 3 months. Whereas for those who would wish to take their time, the payment plan will still be, you can deposit, okay, you can book with $2,500, then the 20% you pay in a month's time, then the 80%, it remains. So the 20% is the one that will change month time and the 3-month time.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Perhaps what advice would you have, Dr. Abraham, for people, I guess, or someone considering investing in the waterfront hotel apartments?
Oh, maybe before we come to that, I just wanted to add on what Shakira said.
Yes.
He talked about the European standard. So this project has been designed, and the construction is going to be executed by South African architects, engineers, project managers, and contractors, the best in class. You can imagine the quality that we're going to bring to this project. So nothing has been put to chance. So the finishing and the furnishings are all going to be imported from Europe, like Shakira mentioned. So the quality is top notch. So as it's being shown on the artistic impression is how exactly it's going to
come out
in reality. Yes. Now turning to what you have just asked, if you have 2, 3, 4 more people, yes, this kind of investment allows even 2 or more people to come together and co-invest in a project, in this investment, because after all, at the end of the month, they will all be receiving, we can distribute that money they're supposed to get every month amongst them. If they are 2, and say your monthly rental income is $1,900, then each of you will get about $950 every month if you're two who have co-invested. So it adds up the same. So you contribute maybe 50%, and then when we are also giving you the guaranteed monthly rental income, we give you in the ratio in which you contributed your capital or into your investment.
Exciting. Now, Shakira, perhaps share with me, what are some of where can people get more information? If they're interested in booking or even getting more information, where can they go?
Okay. For those who would like to book, we do have a website, which is www.buildnet.co.ug. We are also located at Intinda Complex for those who would love to visit for more information, whereas you can also reach us on 0312-216-000.
Absolutely. Any final thoughts for you there, Doc?
Well, thank you, Vic, so much. And I would like to thank our listeners, our audience for their time to take them through this presentation of the exciting investment opportunity, first of its kind in Uganda. And we are looking forward to serving you and making sure that your investment is smooth and seamless. So we are available on the numbers, on the website, of course. The phone numbers are there, like Shakira mentioned. You can reach out to us and then have this timely booking, because between now and 31st of March, we have extended the offer. Instead of paying the 20% in 1 month,
you can pay it out in 3
months. Then the 80% comes after completion of the construction in 2 years' time, when you have seen everything we have been promising you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Of course, Shakira, Dr. Ibrahim, thank you for joining me this morning on the breakfast meeting. As we've learned today, the Waterfront Hotel Apartments in Munyonyo present an unparalleled investment opportunity for you and me, and perhaps even your friends, whoever you want to get into this business with. Of course, combining luxury living and also promising some high standards. That there's an international collaboration to make it right here in Uganda. Now, BuildNet's innovative approach, of course, with their payment plan and strategic partnerships and commitment to quality have, of course, culminated in a project that stands out in Uganda real estate landscape. So we look forward to seeing what else they come up with. And of course, a heartfelt thank you to our guests this morning, and a thank you to you for tuning in on NBS's breakfast meeting. For me, Victoria Sabia, may the Lord bless you, keep you, make his face shine upon you, and be gracious to you. Goodbye. God bless.